Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create a GoFundMe page on Facebook. Okay, so what we want to do is, the first thing is on the left hand side, if you click on see more, now this is our homepage, you should find fundraiser over here. Now, if you do not find fundraiser, you can just go to your search bar and you can just dial in fundraisers. Over here, you will be able to raise money, or you will be able to do a fundraiser for, let's say, perhaps a charity that is not being run by yourself. Okay, so what you'll actually do is, let's say, perhaps into animals, and let's have a look over here, just for example's sakes. So over here, you will have the option to actually donate and then share. But what we want to do is, when you're sharing, you're promoting the page, but we want to create our page on our own. So what we want to do is, on the left hand side over here, you can say see more, and here you want to go to pages. What you want to do is click on create new profile or page, and over here it says public page. Select that one and select next, and just click on get started. Now you are going to create your own page. Okay, and then you are going to go to GoFundMe.com. You are going to create a GoFundMe account and create your you are going to create your campaign or your GoFundMe. Okay, so if you go in here, you can actually go to your fundraisers. This is one that I've created for a sample. Okay, so you can see here. Here it is. You can manage and view this right over here. What you need to do is you need to grab the code from this page. So here it is, and here you can add all of the details here. So the page name, and then you are going to add a page category. So let's just say sports, for example, and then we are going to add our bio. So the bio will tell people whatever it is that they need to know about this GoFundMe page. You're going to go ahead and click on create page. This link should be inside that bio. And here, once this is created, just give it a second. Once it's been created, then you will be able to manage your GoFundMe campaign or the fundraiser within this page. I hope this was insightful.